2024 Best Sport Motorcycle for Beginners KTM 390 Duke. In the dynamic world of sport motorcycles, the 2024 KTM 390 Duke emerges as a standout, offering an exhilarating combination of performance and accessibility tailor-made for novice riders. Recognized as one of the best sport motorcycles for beginners, the 390 Duke seamlessly blends cutting-edge design, thrilling performance, and rider-friendly features, exemplifying KTM's commitment to crafting machines that strike an optimal balance between cost-effectiveness, approachability, and the sheer joy of sport bike riding. In 2024, the 390 Duke continues to captivate entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the excitement of mastering the art of high-performance motorcycling. 1. Aggressive street fighter design with cutting-edge styling. The KTM 390 Duke boasts an aggressive street fighter design that demands attention with its cutting-edge styling and distinctive profile. With sharp lines, an exposed trellis frame, and a distinctive front LED headlight, the 390 Duke exudes a dynamic and muscular presence on the road. KTM's commitment to cutting-edge design ensures that the 390 Duke not only delivers a visually striking riding experience but also stands as a testament to the high-performance world of sport bike excellence. 2. Potent single-cylinder engine for exhilarating performance. At the heart of the 390 Duke lies a potent 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, offering an exhilarating blend of accessible power and high-revving excitement for novice riders. KTM's engine design prioritizes responsive performance and torque, making it an excellent choice for those looking to experience the thrill of sport bike riding. The 390 Duke's engine provides ample power for spirited city riding, dynamic cornering, and highway cruising, offering a platform for riders to explore the exhilaration of high-performance motorcycling. 3. Lightweight chassis and nimble handling. Designed for nimble handling, the KTM 390 Duke features a lightweight chassis and sport-tuned suspension that contribute to its responsive and agile characteristics. The bike's balanced geometry and nimble handling make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through city traffic, carve through corners, and experience the excitement of sport bike performance. The 390 Duke's agile nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and relish the thrill of dynamic rides. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the 390 Duke features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers a sporty yet accommodating seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and a well-designed riding posture, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. KTM's commitment to rider comfort makes the 390 Duke not only a high-performance option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and spirited rides. 5. Integration of advanced features. The 2024 390 Duke seamlessly integrates advanced features to enhance the overall riding experience. A modern TFT instrument display, state-of-the-art electronics, and KTM's renowned engineering prowess add contemporary functionality without compromising the bike's accessibility. KTM ensures that the 390 Duke remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of cutting-edge performance with essential safety features. Conclusion. The 2024 KTM 390 Duke stands as a global icon of entry-level sport bike excellence, securing its position as one of the best sport motorcycles for beginners. Its aggressive street fighter design, potent single-cylinder engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of advanced features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of high-performance motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, pushing the limits on winding roads, or experiencing the thrill of high-speed riding, the 390 Duke encapsulates the spirit of KTM's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible sport bike greatness. As a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of high-performance motorcycling, the 2024 KTM 390 Duke rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of sport motorcycles for beginners.